This is how you can use Chatgpt to create viral TikTok videos. You want to grab a notepad and a pen because I'm sharing so much information in this video. I'm also going to be using my laptop here, so if you see me looking down, that is what I'm doing. You can follow along as well. So let's count down from the 5 things that you need to be doing. So number 5, if you want to create viral videos on TikTok, you actually have to search on TikTok to come up with these ideas. That's the first thing. And the reason for this is that there's no AI tool at the moment that can scrape all the search results on TikTok. So let's pop over to TikTok. Now I'm going to give you a pro tip. Make sure that you are searching on TikTok desktop, not on the app, and you're going to see why in a moment. So if we open up TikTok, we see that search bar up the top there, you can see that. And now we're going to write in what you're actually searching for or what you're interested in. So let me just share a real example of a client that I'm working with. It's a university and we're creating all their TikTok content for them. They want to attract international students to come study at their university. So what I would search in this instance is how to study overseas. So the reason I would search this on TikTok is that we're looking to attract people to come study at this university. So a big pro tip for you is use the words how to and then fill in the blank. So you can do that for any industry and you're going to come across some really great video topics on TikTok. So let me just hit search now, and now all the videos appear. And this is where it gets really interesting, and this brings us into step number 4. So can you see here on the side, there's all these terms which are others searched for. So TikTok is actually telling you what are the video topics that other people are searching for on TikTok. This is a treasure trove of information. So let's copy all of this and we're going to open up a document. I use Google Docs, so we're going to copy and paste here. So this brings us on to step number 3 with how to use Chatgpt to create viral TikTok videos. So you can see that list there, right? So what I want to do is bring this list down to about 6 key video topics. So I'm going to read over them. I don't really want to include that topic, so I'll remove that. I don't want to include that topic. I'll remove that topic. So now I have 6 really powerful video topics. So let's move on to step number 2. So now that you've got your list, I'm going to reveal to you the exact Chatgpt prompt that I've been using and you can steal and use in your own TikTok videos. So this is the prompt here. So I'm asking it to create 12 viral TikTok video scripts, and I want to create 2 scripts per topic. And the reason for this is that it gives you options. Like you might like both of the scripts and you might want to use them both for TikTok, but it's just going to give you some really great information that you can choose from. And then next you can see that I've included create scripts using this framework. So I've learned this from working on thousands of TikTok videos, not only on my own TikTok profile, but also with all the businesses that I work with. And what I've learned is that you really need to have a really powerful opening video hook. So you want to make sure that people actually watch your video. So that's why I've got include an engaging hook, and then you want to have that body of the video as well. So that's why I've got, include the body, and then finally a call to action. It's really important because you want to let people know what they should do after watching your TikTok video. And finally, I've also included explain the video style. So there's so many different video styles that you can create on TikTok, and it's a make or break if your video is going to go viral on TikTok. So this is where the magic happens. Let's copy and paste this. So we've got the prompt there, and then I've also got the 6 video topics that I'm going to be using for Chatgpt. So let's go copy and paste. We start a new chat on Chatgpt, just like I did there, and copy and paste, check everything, and then hit generate. Okay, so what you can see on my screen are the results from using this prompt. And so in the bold, and I love how Chatgpt actually sets everything out. In the bold, that's the main topic there. And then underneath there's script 1 and script 2. And then there's the next video topic, and then there's script 1 and script 2, and so on. So it's set out like this. What I love about this is that you know exactly what type of video style you should be doing on TikTok. There's the hook there, so that's the opening sentence that you need to use in your TikTok video. And then there's the body as well. And then finally the call to action. So just look at this. All these amazing scripts. There's 12 scripts there that you can use right away for TikTok. But I'm going to reveal the number one big point that you need to be doing when you are using Chatgpt to create viral videos. But before I do, if you are enjoying this video, I'm going to be creating more videos just like this, so feel free to subscribe, or if you've got any comments, let me know below as well. The next thing that you need to do is use this prompt as well. So what you want to do is ask ChatGPT to write an engaging video caption for your TikTok video, and then also hashtags as well. So when I am using hashtags on TikTok, I use about 4 to 6 hashtags. That's what I've seen work the best for the videos that I create as well. I'm also going to give you a pro tip with what I've seen with the videos going viral on my own profile, and also with a lot of other videos that I have analyzed on TikTok. They all use text on screen. So text on screen is that text that you see on TikTok videos. It's a really powerful way that you can get someone to watch your videos. So you also want to include this as part of your prompt as well. So let me go and copy this. And now we're going to open app. And now we're going to go back to ChatGPT and we add this here, copy and paste. Okay, so what you can see, oh, I love this, is the main topic. And remember, we've got 2 different scripts for the topic. So we can see the caption, hashtags, and text on screen. Just have a look at this. Oh, I love these hashtags, they're so good. And then we've even got that text on screen, which is really engaging. By using this ChatGPT prompt, you're able to create viral video scripts in less than 5 minutes. Thank you, see you next time.